If your photo looks grainy or has distracting color speckles, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to reduce noise in Lightroom Desktop in a simple, beginner-friendly way. This is one of the easiest ways to clean up a photo without ruining the overall look, and it works great for low-light shots, high ISO images, and photos that need a little extra polish. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick editing tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your photo in Lightroom Desktop and go to the Edit panel. Once you're inside the editing workspace, scroll down until you find the Details section. This is where Lightroom gives you control over sharpening and noise reduction, and it's the main area you'll use to clean up grain. Now look for the noise reduction controls. You'll see two main sliders here, Luminance and Color. Start by adjusting Luminance first. This helps reduce the grainy texture in your image. A good starting point is somewhere between 20 and 50, depending on how noisy your photo is. If the image is only slightly grainy, keep it lower. If it's very noisy, you can push it higher, but be careful not to overdo it. Next, move to the Color slider. This one helps remove color noise, which often appears as random red, green, blue, or purple specks in darker parts of the photo. A good range here is usually 20 to 30. In many cases, just a small adjustment makes a big difference and helps the image look much cleaner. After that, fine-tune the result using the Detail slider. This controls how much detail Lightroom tries to preserve while reducing noise. If you raise detail, you can keep more texture and sharpness in the image. If you lower it, the photo may look smoother, but you could lose some important sharp edges. So the goal is to find a balance that removes noise without making the image look soft. You can also adjust smoothness if needed. This helps create a more polished finish, especially if the image still looks rough after reducing noise. A small increase can make the photo look cleaner, but again, don't push it too far. Here's the important part. Always zoom in while editing. Look closely at the skin, shadows, and background areas, because that's where noise is usually easiest to see. If you increase luminance too much, your image can start to look blurry and lose detail. And if you over-smooth the photo, it can develop that unnatural plastic look that nobody wants. So make your changes slowly and compare before and after as you go. Once you're happy with the result, you can continue editing the rest of the photo normally and then export it with a much cleaner finish. That's really all there is to it. Just open the photo, go to Detail, adjust Luminance and Color, then fine-tune detail and smoothness for the best balance. If this video helped you reduce noise in Lightroom, please hit like and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.